Hi everyone, today we have the Extreme 2 JBL portable speaker. So far this is going to be an open box, it's not going to be a long review. Alright, let's take a look at the box. The box right now it says you get 15 hours of play. It's IPS7 waterproof, meaning you can drop it in the water. I think it's about 6 feet. It's USB charge out. You also get the app, the JBL Connect app, which you can just download that on your phone. It comes with a handle. I don't know if it people like that. Yeah, it also comes with a handle for the speaker itself. I was just talking about the box handle. Okay. All right. So here we go. So let's open this up. Okay, so this is what's inside of it. Let's pull it out this way. Okay, to the side. Let's see what else is in the box. What is this? Okay, so you get the power adapter. I believe this is the other port to the adapter where you connect to the speaker. Let's put that right there. You get the instruction booklet, and I believe these are, let's see. This is the strap handle. Okay, let's put this to the side. And here we have the speaker. Yep, this is the speaker right here. All right, so it comes with the handle part. Okay, also have legs where it sits on. I believe these are made of rubber. It's a little heavy. It's not too heavy, but it got a little weight to it. You have the Bluetooth button, the up and down volume, the play button, the power button, and I believe this is the connect button to the app. It feels sturdy. It's very well built. I made a mistake earlier. This button is to pair multiple speakers together. The only drawback about the JBL app that I don't like is you can only pair their brand. You cannot pair other brand speaker through the app, which is a drawback. Okay. Also, when you turn it around, you have the ports. You have a USB connector, micro USB port. You also has the 3.5 jack for like earphone, or if you want to connect auxiliary, I believe. And you have the power port. Now let's turn this on and see what it sounds like. I'm also going to compare it to the Boost Home 500 speaker, and we can see. Okay, so now let's power it on and see what it sounds like. Just a quick test. Alright, so we press the button, press and hold, and you get that sound. That means it's on, I guess. Okay guys, this is just a sound test to show you what the speaker sounds like. Also, I noticed when you do plug in the power wire, the adapter, it gets louder. I'm gonna also show you that too. All right, let me play this track so you can hear what it sounds like. Okay, and now I'm gonna plug it in, and you're gonna hear how it sounds when it's turned, the difference between when I plug it in and plug it out. That's when it's plugged in.